In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to make a poster on Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to get the A4 paper size, and this is the size. You can just search it up in Google, and then you're gonna copy it into Canva. So then you're gonna create a new design. So in my case it's landscape, but if you want it as portrait, you can just switch up the dimensions to 2480 multiplied by 3508. So once you have created your the template, you'll have to search up a template. I'm just gonna search up, let's say, poster, and I'm gonna take anything that matches my poster, whatever I'm looking for. So I think this matches my poster, so I'm just gonna copy this onto my template, and right here I'm gonna change the picture. I'm gonna bring into my picture here, and then I'm gonna change the color scheme. I'm gonna make it like match to my business type. I'm gonna change this phone number. I can change the colors, and you can change many things here and make it look more better and customize it to your own needs. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.